Hi, we're here at Columbia Glacier. We just finished a little swimming session in the ice and got some nice shots with the dome. We're going to take it off because we're going to do some sunset shots now, so we're not going to need the Outex housing. I got my handy dandy toolkit. I always try to do this on my lap. So all I'm going to do is use the wrench to untighten the seal that I created earlier. That's really all I needed. You only need the wrench to sort of give that last tightening and untightening. Once I've got that done, I can take out the nut, the washer with the seal, and then I can put the cover away. And you'll notice here that I've got the clamp. This is a Nikon 14-24 f2.8, I believe. Is that right, Dan?
It is.
So it's a Nikon 14-24 f2.8, nice lens. We just used it to some of the split shots that we were doing. So just so that I don't lose it, I'll put this back on for now before I put it in the case that comes with it and store it away. And then what I'll do is I'll also use the wrench to loosen up the clamp. So this is the clamp for the 14-24. And what I did, a little pro tip, is I also used a rubber band on the inside, and what that does is it softens the grip of the clamp, and it also gives you better grip. I'll get that back into the case. I just keep some common tools that I use there. And we're ready to go.